What's good, you guys? For custard pudding, catch biscuits of your choice. Take out a pan to make custard powder of any brand, cause we don't have any brand sponsors as of now. And finally, milk. It's now time to remove all your day's frustration. Grab those drumsticks, cause it's time to play. Oh, jokes apart. Use Tupperware's smart chopper to chop down all your worries in life as per displayed in the video. Pull, but only flex if you have muscles. You have now got finely crushed biscuit. Add only 1 or 2 spoons of milk to not let the powder just fly away. Spread it evenly, forming the base layer of your pudding. Now mix the custard powder with 1 bowl of milk. Stir, check, stir. Until then freeze the base layer. Pour milk, then add previously mixed milk, sugar as per your waistline. Keep it thick in consistency. Add it on your base layer. Refrigerate for a couple of hours. That pudding! Just look at that easy peasy masterpiece. Congratulations, but it's not done until you subscribe. Until next time. See you.
Subscribe.